Hey there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we're going to do unboxing of this brand new LG 27GN800 monitor. So this monitor is, as the name suggests, of 27 inches, comes with high refresh rate of 144 Hz and comes with 10-bit depth and also comes with 1.07 billion color. So what does this color mean? This means that this monitor is of 10-bit. So let's quickly unbox it and see what inside, and we also will compare this with this gaming monitor which is of 165 Hz, but this monitor is 7 to 8,000 rupees costlier compared to this one. We will compare the color of both and see what is the difference, should we buy this monitor or not. So without further ado, let's quickly unbox it. And here we go, how this box looks like. So here we can see the panel first. So let me open the panel. Now let's see what else comes with this box. There is also this stand and this column that is connected to stand. We will assemble it and then we will see how does the whole thing look. This also comes with bunch of cables and I am expecting DP and HDMI. Okay, so this one is power cord, and it is really nice to see 6 ampere power cord, not the 16 one, because we require to buy a separate accessory or a separate converter. So that's great. It also comes with external power supply which looks like this, and a display port which is going to give you complete color with maximum refresh rate, which is not possible through HDMI. So I am not disappointed that I do not find HDMI inside it. It's fine that we have got this display port. Now this one is a further accessory of stand. Now these are some manuals. And some clips. I don't know for what purpose they are, but now let me keep this box aside. Now let's unbox this main display unit, which looks like this. Now before I actually add stand, here we have a opportunity to see it from behind. So here we have got this Visa mount that enable us to a separate desktop stand, or let's say even you want to mount it on wall, so you can do that. Here you will get this display port and 2 HDMI. Here we also have this option of service only, which is more of firmware upgrade. So let me again put this tape back, and then here you will find the headphone jack, which I don't know why they kept it on behind. It can be more inaccessible in my use case scenario. I don't know, maybe in your case it is fine. And here is the power input. Now let me keep it here again as it is. Now let me open the stand, and it can fit like this. And now I need to mount it like this. Here we have got few screws. So let me quickly install this stand. Okay, so the stand we have completely mounted. Now I can fix this cap. So which is going to cover this whole thing from behind, giving you a clean look. Now let me rotate this. So this monitor only comes with this tilt adjustment. Unfortunately, this stand do not comes with any height adjustment. Now let me quickly power this monitor up, and then we can see side by side comparison with Dell S2721DZF. And there we have it. Now I have kept both monitors side by side. This one is 165 Hz, this one is 144. Now let me play a video side by side so that you can itself judge how the color of this monitor look like. And believe me guys, I am feeling that the brightness of this monitor is slightly higher compared to this one. Although this goes up to 400 nits, this goes up to 350 nits, but still I find the color look brighter here. So let me quickly make some adjustment. To make fair comparison, what I did, I also adjusted this monitor at 75% of brightness and 75% of contrast, similar to the setting of this monitor. Now let me quickly play the same video on both monitors side by side. There we go. Okay, so the only difference that I saw here is this monitor is slightly brighter compared to this one, which may be because of panel to panel variation. Also, I have optimized this monitor setting based on my requirement. Still, there are so many other settings that I still need to change of my new monitor, but overall this monitor looks really nice. Now let me make this room dark and see how much is the color bleed or light bleed in this new monitor compared to this old one. For that, let me turn my room into dark. So both these monitor perform above average in terms of color bleed, and I do not see any kind of defects related to color bleed in my brand new monitor. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to buy this monitor, then I'm gonna provide buying link of this one in the description of this video. And I will catch you soon in my next one. Till then, you take care and bye bye.